Hello friends, in this video we will learn about left-right function. Using these functions how we can manipulate our data. For example, this is the account number given, and sometimes when we have the requirement like we need the first six in one column, and then the middle six, then last four digit, and like example IFSC code combining the left five and right last four digit. So we will start with this first IFSC code, first six digit number we want. So we will use left function, selecting this one. We need six digit, first six, that is, and then we need middle six digit. So we are using mid function, and remember till six digit we have already used. So now text is already this one selected, comma, starting number will be seventh. Okay, then number of characters we want six. Okay, now we want last four digit, so we will use right function, and we need this data. Number of character is 4. Okay, bracket close. Okay, now we need to combine left 5 digit and right 4 digit. Okay, then we'll use equal to left 5, and then we'll use concatenate function, this, and we'll use RIGHT, right. Again select this one, 4 digit minute. This is the result, ALLA 19, last four 9488, and then 5 digit. That is the case. Yeah, thanks for watching.